Shh, hush, hush, girl. Don't say that too loudly. The guards will arrest us. Why? Episode 15. Dora Goes to Greece, Part 1. Hello, everyone. It's been a while since the last time I traveled. Therefore, let's guess what destination I want to visit in this episode. This will be an adventure that is full of surprises and new excitement. Stay tuned! Good morning! Hello, may I see your passport, please? Here it is. Thank you. I've already booked my ticket online. Here you go, my reservation number. Yes, thank you. Your flight to Greece departs at 9:30 by American Airlines. That's right. Are you checking in with any bags today? Yes, this suitcase. I'm gonna take this backpack with me on the plane. It appears that your suitcase slightly exceeds our maximum weight. Alright, wait for me a sec, please. I'll take something out of my suitcase and put it on my carry-on backpack. I'll take my laptop out of the bag, no big deal. Now your suitcase is ready to be scaled again. Great, everything is all set now. This is your boarding pass and passport. Thanks so much for your help. You're very welcome. Have a nice flight with American Airlines.
Morning, miss. Passport and boarding pass, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. You can go on through.
Pardon me, can I ask you something? Sure, go ahead, girl. This is the first time I have flown. I don't know what to do. Why do people have to take off their clothes and belongings? This is the security check area. All your luggage will be checked via X-ray. And you will go through the metal scanner gate. Make sure that when you reach the conveyor, you use a separate bin for your electronics and for your jacket, belt, watch, jewelry, and shoes. My electronic devices, jacket, belt, watch, jewelry, and shoes? Yes, put them in the bin right there. How about my bag? Put it in the conveyor belt.
Next person, please.
Oh, it's my turn. Watch and learn, girl, and don't be worried. Everything will be fine.
Miss, do you have any liquids in your bag?
Yes, I do. I have a water bottle and a hand sanitizer.
You'll need to take those out, because you are not allowed to bring any gels, liquids that are more than 100 milliliters.
Here they are, sir.
The water bottle is too big. You should drink it right now or throw it out. The hand sanitizer is in a small container. It's fine.
All right, I'll drink my water then.
Now please step through the scanner.
Oh no! What is happening?
Please step to the side. Stretch out your arms. I'm going to scan your body. Are you placing any metal objects, wearing any jewelry?
Oh, I forgot that I put my lucky lighter in the pocket. I think the alarm went off because of it. I'm so sorry about that.
You're all clear now.
Oh God, thank you.
Alright, you can take your items from the bin, the scanner, and head to the gate now. Have a great flight.
Thank you for your patience.
That's my job. Don't worry about it.
Hey girl, over here. Oh, I'm coming. How was everything? Did I mean the security check procedures? I followed everything you told me, except for one thing. What's that? We're not allowed to bring liquids, gels that are more than 100 milliliters. Oh, yes, I forgot to tell you that requirement. Sorry. It's okay. I also put my lighter in the pocket, which triggered the alarm. Ooh, that's serious. Yes, I was having a panic attack. Do you smoke, girl? No, I don't. I'm a Girl Scout. So I always bring a lighter and necessary tools such as a knife, rope, sticky tape, and so on. Shh, hush, hush, girl. Don't say that too loudly. The guards will arrest us. Why? A knife? That doesn't sound like an item you should bring on the plane at all. I get it now. But it is securely wrapped to prevent injury, and I put it in my checked bags already. That's that way. Anyways, I find it so interesting to be a scout. Thanks. I'm flying to Greece to earn some more merit badges. That's nice. I'm so happy to go on the same flight with you, young lady. This will be a real adventure for me. I've never flown before, so I hope I can earn a traveling aboard alone badge this time. May you earn many more merit badges. This is my first time I have traveled to Greece too. I'm so excited to witness those ancient buildings with my own eyes. By the way, I'm Alex, Girl Scout living in New York City. Nice to meet you. I'm Dora, reporter at the NYH. Nice to meet you too. You look so much younger than what I thought a reporter could be. Thank you. I'm 23 years old already. How old are you? I'm 18 years old. I'm taking a gap year before university to experience more. That's a wise decision, I suppose. But why did you choose Greece to be your first destination? I want to apply for the archaeology major because ancient history totally draws my attention. That's awesome, Alex. You can tell me what you know when we're in Greece. Absolutely, Dora. Good afternoon, passengers. This is the pre-boarding announcement for Flight 25D to Greece at 9:30. We are now inviting those passengers with small children and any passengers requiring special assistance to begin boarding at this time. It's our flight announcement. Get yourself ready.